I'll be showing you how to add end screens and cards to your YouTube videos, okay? If you don't know what end screen is an interactive call to action. Videos, playlists, and external websites can be promoted using the YouTube end screen feature. The purpose of the YouTube end screen feature is to keep viewers engaged with your content and channel. Okay, this end screen, they appear at the end of a video to provide creators with a final opportunity to engage with their audience and promote their channel. It can be added to the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video. And for the cards are interactive elements added to the YouTube videos that can be used to promote videos, playlists, websites, merchandise, and channel. Both are clickable. For this edit, we'll be going to the YouTube Studio website, and then we'll click on content, and you solve through for the video you want to use. You click on it, and then this pencil comes up. You touch the pencil tool, and then this page comes up. You go down to the right corner of this page. Here you can see subtool, end screen, and cards. Let's do for cards first. You click on it. So you could either use your video playlist or channel. I'm using my channel. Here you type in the channel you wish to promote. Definitely I want to promote my channel, so I'll be typing in my channel's name, Becoming Uju. My profile picture comes up, and then I click on it. So you can see channel cards must have a custom message. So you simply input your custom message for your viewers and your teaser text. So yeah, I simply go in with subscribe. So I'll just insert subscribe with an S with a question mark. So subscribe, it's a question mark. Yeah. And for the teaser text, I simply input click here, click here. So now you can already see it is showing there already. So next thing, you're gonna edit it to the duration you want it to display, how you want it to display on your video. Normally it does display the first 5 seconds of your video. So this is it, and definitely click save, and what you set will just save up. And then we'll go in for end screen. You click on the pencil there, so it will simply add either of these elements, just one of it. Either I choose from here. I definitely want to make use of this one that has the one video, one playlist, and one subscriber. So I simply click on it, it comes up. And then for the other one, which is a playlist, I need to choose a playlist. You can see here, so I simply come down here. Click on it, you come down here to this playlist, and then all of your playlist just faces. So you either choose just one, you just choose one. I chose this skincare, but I think I need to make a new choose. I have to click product reviews, so I click it, and you see it surfaces ASAP. So you're gonna edit it to the duration you want, how you want it to display all through your video. Not really all through your video, at the last seconds of your video. So you just simply edit it down there, and definitely once you're done editing for the duration and display, you click save. Must save, please, you must save whatever you're doing. Click on save, and then it loads up. So this is how to add end screen and cards to your uploaded video. So let's take a look of what we've done so far. And you can see the cards already on the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's drag it to the very end of the video to see the end. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, boost on post notification, right? To get notified whenever I get how it displays video at the ending of your video. So this is how to basically add cards and end screen to your video, uploaded and not uploaded video on YouTube. Thanks
for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.